Welcome to the best electric toothbrush reviews from A Dentist's Daughter. We're looking at Sonicare toothbrush replacement heads. Sonicare brush heads are compatible with any Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush. They are engineered to remove plaque, improve gum health, and make your teeth whiter. Let's learn about the different Sonicare brush heads and how to pick your perfect choice. What are the best features? Let's take a look. The bristles on a Sonicare head are softer than other brush heads. The cleaning experience is gentler and pain-free. They are ideal for sensitive gums and teeth. They deliver a sweeping movement like a manual toothbrush. They are also very cost-effective and durable. Sonicare brush heads are extremely good at clearing off plaque. What are the types of Sonicare brush heads? The popular varieties are Diamond Clean brush heads for whiter teeth, Pro Results heads for the best all-round cleaning effect, Adaptive Clean brush heads for a deeper cleanse, and Sensitive heads with extra soft bristles. There are also W2 Optimal White toothbrush heads for stain removal and teeth whitening, C2 Plaque Defense heads for excellent plaque removal, G3 Premium Gum Care heads to protect the gums, and W3 Premium White brush heads with brush sync technology. Special types and their features. Sonicare replacement heads differ in style, design, bristle arrangement, and number. Each brush head comes in two sizes, standard and compact. An interesting brush sync technology conveniently reminds you when it's time to replace a worn-out brush head. The Pro Results head can clean teeth even while you're wearing braces. By and large, all Philips Sonicare brush heads are interchangeable. You can use different heads with the same brush handle. Sonicare brush heads are best replaced every 3 months. Where to buy Sonicare toothbrush replacement heads? You could get them from any retail store or order brush heads online from Amazon. Visit our website at A Dentist's Daughter to learn more about the Sonicare electric toothbrush replacement heads.